Today I'm sharing you how to download the certificate, CBSE certificate. And the shortcut method, I'm going to the Google, then CBSE training portal. In the CBSE training portal, I'm clicking here and there are many options available. CBSE training portal, I'm doing the to download e-certificate. To download e-certificate, here's my login screen. First screen, login as individual participant because we are downloading ourselves. Individual participant. Here you have to put your user ID, password and security pin. User ID OS_ID from which you have registered. Here my dashboard appears, in which dashboard how many you have registered, fees paid, count, training attended. This all will appear in it. Okay. From here, you have to submit the feedback in offline CBP. In the offline CBP, you have to select the title of the program, where you have attended the program, on which date, and then you have to submit the feedback on the basis of the school also resource person. Here I am filling the on the basis of school because it is very comfortable, well located, food was very tasty, the program content was relevant. I should say it's not some easy job. Okay, and it is very responsive, extremely nice communication, easy to control. She can control very much easily and demonstrate the presence of mind also. Knowledgeable, competent, planning, preparation, and the question, classroom teaching, it was expert. And what was my expectation regarding the program has been on the scale of excellent. Content was excellent, handout, activities was excellent. I think so. And before I have the knowledge also skill, why should I say I have the less knowledge? I have the knowledge. Now again, after that program, my knowledge increased, but it is not more rating. That's why I'm giving the 5. And then we have to give the overall remark for the CBP. About the venue, about the resource person, about the CBSE, what you want to write, you can write in 1000 words. I have written someone, it's your wish, how much you want to write. It's the positive point about overall CBP program. Okay, so I have written some point. Maybe you have more experience, so you can write much more about it. Then you have to select the topic in which you want to like to have in future also. Which training you want to like to have in future, means generic or subject specific. I said I want a subject specific, so I have submitted a subject specific, and obviously because it increased my subjective knowledge also, then I have to click on any one. Then I said I should pick up the physics one. Suppose I have pick up the physics one, anyone you want, you can do it, and then submit the feedback. Here my feedback is submitted. Then go to the my account, certificate for offline CBP, because it is offline, we have attended personally, it is offline. Okay.